It's that time again. Unboxing. I already unboxed that in office. But it's time. Let's see what you are. What are you? Oh, it's an all black box. It says NikeID. You mean that's a pair of custom Nikes? Get out of here. Dun dun dun. Okay, which side does it open on? Alright. Dun 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 dun. A pair of Roshes in the Rutgers colors, red and black. One says it's. What does the next one say? The next one says lit. A. It's lit. E. Now we on to the next box. We'll see you later. This one already opened in the office, but we got the floaty handle, which is connected to the waterproof case. That's because I'm about to go kayaking like next week. Hey, bro. It's the handler from a GoPro. It's a floating hand grip. Also, when I go kayaking. And that wraps up this unboxing. Hey, hey, hey.